So over here, I am in the burn down report view right here. And if you wish to access out other reports, then you can go around onto the report tab, and from over here, you can go around and access out other reports that you may want to view. So you can go around onto report right here, go to resources, see over allocated resources and so forth, and everything is here in the report view. So if you have created any manual reports, then you'll be able to see those reports under custom right here. And over here, you can see that I got my report TutorTube right here, which is a manual report that I made right here. And then I also have the TutorTube report right here, which is another manual report that I created as well. So if I were to go around over here, you will be able to see that under the recent section, you see all of the reports that you recently accessed as well. So you can go around onto the recently accessed report to view them as well. You can go around over here, and under custom, you can see the reports that you made as well. So if you want to go ahead and copy out any report, let's say for example, if you want to go ahead and go to the over allocated resource, and let's say you want to make a copy of this report, then you can go around and copy this report as well. So once you do that, a copy is made, and you can go around and rename out the report right here. So I'm just going to go around and say copy of over allocation right here, and press OK, just like this. So once you do that, if I were to go around onto report right here, you'll be able to see the copy of over allocation right over here as well. So you got the regular over allocation right here under the resources, you got the regular over allocation. But if I were to go around over here under the report, under let's say copy of over allocation, this is a copy of an existing report, and over here you can simply start making changes. Let's say for example, you can go ahead over here and add in, let's say, an extra chart right here, and this is your own report now. So if I were to go around over here onto report, onto over allocated resources, you see the original over allocation report. But if I were to go around over here onto the copy of over allocation, you can see the new report over there as well. And that is how you can go around and manage and even copy out reports that are pre-existing and make it your own report as well while making reports inside of Microsoft Project. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.